The landscape for premium tablets is shifting in 2026, and the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is positioned as the centerpiece of this transformation. Recent industry data and supply chain certifications point toward a release in September, signaling that Samsung is ready to push its flagship tablet into a new category of mobile computing. The engineering focus for this iteration centers on sustained performance and professional-grade utility, aiming to bridge the gap between portable media devices and desktop workstations. At the core of this device, we are seeing a strategic move toward the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. This 3nm architecture is being prioritized for its thermal efficiency and high-end power management, which is critical for a device with a 14.6-inch form factor. By utilizing this silicon, Samsung is tailoring the device for intensive tasks, including multi-layer video editing, complex rendering, and long-term background processing. The transition away from varying chipset regions suggests a move toward a more standardized performance profile across global markets, ensuring that users in premium regions like the United States receive consistent, high-tier output. Memory configurations are also seeing a notable upgrade to accommodate modern software demands. The base model is expected to start with 12 GB of RAM, but higher-tier versions are moving toward 16 GB, with industry leaks highlighting configurations reaching 24 GB. This memory overhead is designed to support the next evolution of the device's multitasking environment. As mobile operating systems continue to integrate more AI-driven features and desktop-like multitasking, this increased headroom is intended to keep background applications fluid and responsive without the aggressive clearing behavior found in older mobile architectures. This is essential for users who maintain dozens of browser tabs, heavy communication apps, and creative software simultaneously. The display remains the signature feature of the Ultra line. We are looking at a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED panel that maintains a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth interaction. The focus here is on color accuracy and peak brightness, with expectations set for a 1600 nit experience that provides high visibility even in challenging lighting conditions. The engineering team has further refined the anti-reflective coating, which drastically reduces glare when working in bright office environments or outdoors, making it a viable primary display for professional color work. Furthermore, there is significant industry chatter regarding the potential implementation of an advanced under-display camera system for this specific model, which would effectively eliminate the bezel notch and provide an uninterrupted viewing experience that sets a new standard for tablet immersion. Durability continues to be a cornerstone of the Ultra branding. The build will utilize a robust aluminum frame, consistent with the high standard of the current flagship series, ensuring that the expansive 14.6-inch panel is well protected against flex and impacts. Despite the large footprint, the device is expected to remain slim, targeting a profile around 5.5 mm to maintain portability. This design choice allows the device to function as a handheld creative tool while still providing the screen real estate of a professional monitor. The internal cooling structure has been expanded to cover a larger surface area, which effectively spreads heat away from the processor during extended periods of rendering, ensuring that thermal throttling does not become a performance bottleneck for professional users who push their hardware to the absolute limit. Battery capacity for the Ultra model is holding steady at a 76 mAh typical rating. While some users may look for larger numbers, this capacity is optimized to work with the power efficiency of the 3nm chipset, providing consistent all-day battery life for most professional workflows. Charging speeds remain at the 45W wired standard, which is calibrated for long-term battery health and thermal stability during high-load operations. Beyond the raw capacity, the integration of intelligent power management software ensures that background tasks are handled with minimal drain, allowing the device to last through even the most demanding studio sessions without requiring a tether to a wall outlet. The software experience will debut with the latest Android build, layered with the latest iteration of the manufacturer's custom interface. The commitment to long-term software support remains a significant factor for professional users. with 7 years of operating system and security updates, ensuring the hardware retains its value and security well into the next decade. This longevity is key to the device's value proposition, as it moves away from being a disposable gadget to a long-term investment for content creators and mobile professionals. The stylus experience continues to be a highlight, with full integration for artists and note-takers. The precision of the pen, combined with the low-latency response of the AMOLED display, provides one of the most natural writing and drawing experiences available in the tablet market today. The integration with professional design suites is tighter than ever, allowing for pressure-sensitive input that feels nearly identical to traditional media. Whether you are sketching architectural blueprints, editing detailed photos, or taking quick notes during a boardroom meeting, the responsiveness and tactile feedback of the stylus are engineered to vanish into the background, leaving only your creativity on the screen. Connectivity is another area where the Tab S12 Ultra is aiming to be future-proof. With Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and advanced 5G capabilities, the device is built to handle the increasing bandwidth requirements of cloud-based workflows and remote collaboration. The inclusion of a high-speed Type-C port ensures that high-speed data transfer to external storage or displays is seamless, which is a requirement for professional workflows involving large file transfers or high-resolution video editing. This ecosystem of ports and wireless protocols ensures the tablet can act as the hub of a much larger creative setup, easily connecting to monitors, audio interfaces, and external hard drives. As we move toward the expected September launch, the strategy is clear. The focus is on consolidating presence in the high-end tablet market by refining the hardware that users already rely on, while upgrading the underlying silicon to meet the next generation of mobile tasks. The decision to omit a smaller base model in some regions signals a clear focus on the premium segment. For the user, this means the focus is shifted entirely to the large screen experience, ensuring that every software feature and hardware capability is optimized for the expansive 14.6-inch canvas. This approach minimizes fragmentation and ensures that users get the full, uncompromised feature set of the top-tier hardware. The device is arriving at a time when the demand for flexible, high-performance mobile computing is at its peak. Whether this hardware replaces a traditional laptop for you will depend on your specific software needs, but the internal components are clearly being built to remove as many bottlenecks as possible. With the 3-nanometer processor, the massive memory capacity, and the refined display technology, this device represents the logical culmination of years of investment in the tablet form factor. As the September date approaches, the industry is watching closely to see how the software environment will tie all these hardware advancements together to finalize the transition from a standard tablet to a genuine, portable power tool that serves the needs of the modern digital creator. This is not merely a tablet refresh, it is a fundamental reevaluation of what a mobile professional device can achieve in a post-PC era, blending absolute portability with desktop-class endurance and speed.